what is trademark infringement and how does it occur? So trademarks, as opposed to patents, protect your business. And it protects either a name or a design or a piece of art that represents the goods and services that you're selling. And what really is valuable is the goodwill that goes with it. Okay, so a lot of companies work for years, sometimes decades, in developing a name, right? Know how people react either emotionally or psychologically to, oh yeah, I know that brand and I know that product, and I can associate the value that it brings, the types of products, the care they take, the customer value, right? The customer service. And so what happens if you infringe, if another company, entity, decides to somehow steal that goodwill, right? They're trying to take some of that mojo, that energy, that value that you've built over the years and put it toward their own separate commercial enterprise. That's infringement. So if ever you have bought a product and it looks or smells or sounds like a well-known product or a product that you are familiar with, and you're like, gosh, is this related to that other one? And if you buy that product thinking, oh, maybe this is the same, right? It's like the same type of shoe as Nike, but it's got some sort of a swish. It's spelled differently. It's got some extra striping on there, but that's probably trademark infringement.